Almost tastes Japanese. It's raining and windy. I'm outside and the mission is do my laundry in a foreign country in Japan. So I've got to find the laundromat and do my laundry there. Let's see if I can do it without getting lost. They have a lot of cars like this, rectangle cars. I don't know, it seems to be a trend here. Look, very trendy. All right, I arrived. I've never been so excited to do my laundry in my life, and yet I'm not very excited. I don't understand anything on the machines, so I'm just gonna try to call my friend from Japan.
I'm gonna have to phone a friend, Chris.
Hey bro, how are you? I'm in the laundromat. Bro, I'm sorry, I hope I didn't wake you up. So, I'm not sure what that is.
It's laundry machine. Do you have a coin, Japanese yen?
Yeah, I have 200 yen, yeah. I'm gonna put the clothes in there. And it's very cheap, it's 200 yen. I mean, compared to UK prices, perfect. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait there until it's finished. Well, I just couldn't wait doing nothing, and I must say that this street looks pretty cool. Oh, another trendy car. Laundry's finished. Great. The dryer is here. It's only 100 yen. So perfect, some change.
20 minutes later.
I finally finished my laundry and I'm gonna take the bus. I'm gonna try to take the bus, and I have no idea how it works, but let's try. Arigatou gozaimasu. He was really nice to help me. The bus is just running late. He explained me and he searched on internet when the bus would come, and I'm just waiting. I think it would have been quicker to just walk, but you know, I want to experience the Japanese bus culture. Perfect, it's there. Thank you. So, if I understood correctly, I have to pay when I get off the bus. Yes, okay. Arigato. Well, that was fun. We are in Japan, so of course we have to choose a very Japanese dish. Italian pasta.
It's me, Mario!
Arigatou gozaimasu. Today, I think I will go to a hairdresser. I want same haircut.
Yes.
It's good.
Good?
Thank you. Okay, let's try to get a haircut. Konnichiwa. Can I haircut? Yeah? Okay. Let's see. Thank you so much. Alright, bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Is it good?
Very good.
Yeah? From now on, I'll only get my haircut in Japan. I go in Japan once in 21 years. So next time it's gonna be 42 years old. In 21 years I'm gonna take my haircut again. I just asked them where I can find some insects, and they're laughing. Look at this. This is so cool. Octopus. Not in Kyoto? Ah, okay. Konnichiwa. Arigato. Arigatou gozaimasu. I think they're really clever. What a good marketing. Oh wow. Whatever this is, it's good. Crossing the road in Japan, Kyoto. Are you happy? Me too.